And we are really happy and appreciate the role of our partners from Japan, where they are helping us to construct these mega bridges to facilitate the traffic in the city. Now we are at Albino Bridge. That's already taken shape and it's going to be completed soon. And before that, we have passed by Matai Bridge, that is Shuhada, is also under construction, and very soon the bridge number 3 is going to commence. That is Kokora Bridge, which links to Jaria with Nimratalata. On behalf of the Ministry of Roads and Bridges and the entire government of South Sudan, we thank and appreciate the contribution of our partner in Japan, where they are using the taxpayers' money to transform the Yuba city. They have already given us 6. Before that, 3 along Gudele Road and Muniki Bridge, as well as Sabah and the one leading to the old bridge. We are still continuing to transform and facilitate transportation in the city and connection with the Freedom Bridge. That is the pride of our relations, our unshakable relations between the people of South Sudan and the people of Japan.